Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will see how the reinforcement is modeled in ABAQUS. To define rebar in ABAQUS we will use uh, wire base feature in the part module and T3D2 element in order to define rebar in ABAQUS. This is our model. We will use a concrete block which will be 200 by 500 mm and 3 reinforcement having dia 16 mm. The length of rebar is 960 mm and the spacing between each rebar is 80 mm. So let's start. The concrete block will be three-dimensional, deformable and solid. Okay. Another part is rebar. It will be three-dimensional, deformable, but the base feature will be used as wire. Okay, now we'll declare two material properties. One will be concrete and another will be steel. The concrete properties will be used to in case of concrete block, and the steel material properties will be assigned in rebar. We'll declare two sections. One is concrete section. It is solid homogeneous. Another section will be rebar. It will be category. It will be beam. Type will be truss. Cross sectional area. We will use 16 millimeter bar. The area of 16 millimeter bar is 201 millimeter square. Okay, now we will assign these sections. Okay, done. It is needed to use the rebar at a perfect location in the assembly module, or we can say that in the assembly module it is needed to assemble these two parts, which is concrete block and rebar, at the same location. There you see there are some cover, so in order to make the simulation convenient we will declare some datum nodes and we will assemble the rebar there. We will use wireframe as render model, tools, datum, offset from point. Okay. Okay. Now go to assembly module. Okay. Since in assembly module we can assemble the parts in this same look in the exact location as we expect by using some constraint. Okay. Okay, it is now assembled in the exact location we expect. Now we'll go to the constraint. It is required that if we to embed the reinforcement in the solid block, otherwise it will flow down. So embedded region, continue. In prompt area, ABAQUS define wants to select the embed region. So we do it at view. This is my embedded region. Then ABAQUS wants to find out what would be my host region. Select region. Okay. Okay. We'll declare a step. Let's check what is the step in constant. Okay, it's okay, no problem. I will declare the boundary condition. Now we'll need to do the mesh of the parts. C3 data. Okay. Okay. Now in family you have to select truss. See T3 D2 element. Okay. Now it is we can submit our job which we create. Okay, the job has been completed. Results. Okay, the deflected shape. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. See my next video tutorial. In that video tutorial I will I will show you how to define reinforcement in the another problem, and we will see how position constraints are used, about some position constraints which are available in ABAQUS. Thank you everybody.